Well, the girl with the biggest comb here in the middle laid her third egg today. And I was thinking I'm going to bust it open and try it compared to a store-bought egg and see if there's any difference, or at least what the difference is between the color and the taste and all that. Jeez, they love this stuff. Alright. Oh my gosh. You good girls. So I'm going to run in and start frying. Alright, so this is a large Lucerne egg. Got it at Safeway. And this one is the third egg that my hen has laid so far. She's an Australorp. It'll get a little bit bigger as she grows, just a little bit bigger herself. But right now, they're still cute and everything. Gonna get these fried up in avocado oil because it doesn't taste like much of anything. And I'm not gonna put any seasonings on these. And put them on their own separate plates, see how they taste. Alright, and I've kept the Lucerne egg on the left and the home hen on the right, whatever you want to call her. You can tell the home-raised one is quite a bit more golden than the one on the left. The one on the left is way more yellow. Alright, give these about a minute on each side and we'll go and give them a taste. Alright, got them flipped over. Give them another minute on this side. Still the one on the right is the home-raised chicken. One on the left is a factory-raised chicken. Even the eggs, I wanted to point out, their shell, this one was significantly thicker, harder to crack open. Nice. Put oyster shell into their food, that way they have a bunch of calcium. Makes those shells really thick. This one, on the other hand, was super thin. You get all these little pieces in your egg. That's annoying. You don't want like crunchy stuff in your eggs. And they also bleach them white. Naturally, they're supposed to be brown like this, normally. But anyhow. Alright, let's get these out. Alright, they each have had a couple of minutes to cool. Try the factory raised eggs here first. Apologize for the noise. It's probably super annoying. Yeah, to the side. Apologize, I'm going off frame there. Looks pretty good in there. Not too runny, nice and thick. That's how I like my eggs. Alright. Tastes like the eggs I've been having my entire life. Still good, nothing really wrong with them, I guess. Go and give the home-raised egg here a shot. Ooh, dang. This one went on just a minute later than the other one did, so it's a little bit more runny. But that egg yolk still looks nice and golden brown. A lot darker than the other one. The chickens, I give them a lot of bugs, like freeze-dried bugs, and excellent organic food. They get to free range it, walk around. Doing really good. I can say that is phenomenally better. Even the yolk is much more thicker, creamier. And oh man, it just has a lot more flavors to it. You almost don't need seasoning at all. The yolk is all the seasoning you need. I would say it's definitely worth raising your own chickens. I was able to buy 5 of them for $1.99 a piece. Buy a 50-pound bag of chicken food for $14. Absolutely worth it. And if you want some really good flavored eggs, you want your chickens to love you, get a good bag of freeze-dried bugs like these. I'll show you the bag I get them. It's this Happy Hen brand. Premium treats for chickens. $28. Get the bug bonanza. It doesn't have the large crickets in there, so I have to get that bag separately, and I just dump it in and mix it all together. And then I just keep these small little solo cups on me with it, and whenever they run up to me, I give them some, and try not to give them too much, but it sure makes a difference on the eggs. You can obviously tell the color between the two. It's just like neon yellow beautiful golden brown. And it fries up so much better. It's just, yeah, way better egg. Better for the planet, better for you, better for the chickens. They're not crammed in a cage their entire life, just with their water bowl and their food right in front of their head. You know, our chickens here get to wander around and enjoy life, experience things, eat good food. You good girls. They're our pets, just like our dogs. You good girls. Tell you, they love these bugs. You good girls. Yeah. Maybe I'll show you the chicks real quick too. And there's Nova back there, that one right there. And she absolutely loves me. She picked me out when I went to buy them. They all love these treats, of course. Oh, they're so cute. But there they are. Get the lid for my treats here real quick. Yeah, there are those girls. That's a Freedom Ranger. Nova is a Navagen. This one is a copper dominant, or a dominant copper. This one here, where are you? I think she's a golden Sussex. And then this white one here is a Cornish cross. The white one here, that one there, the two biggest ones. Got them at the same time. They're giant now. But those are both meat chickens, sadly. They grow extraordinarily fast. Got these two at the same time. That one is so much bigger than this one. But that's what American factories have bred them into doing. Getting real fat real quick for consumption. But at least this one's not stuck in a box. They're out moving around, enjoying life. They're going to get to run around for quite a while. They still lay eggs, but not as many as the other chickens will. She's such a cutie. Alright. Well, thanks you guys for checking out the video. Say goodbye, girls. Yeah. Alright. Have a good one.